Welcome to my gaming and content creation studio. This is my main editing and gaming setup. My desk is made out of 2 IKEA Alex drawers, 2 Lag Captain tabletops, and a few Olov legs for extra support. On top of this right Alex drawer is my Bamboo Lab A1 3D printer, and in the drawers under the printer I have completely revamped everything with the Gridfinity system. To the left of my 3D printer I have 2 IKEA plants on either side of my M2 MacBook Air in the midnight color. To the left of my laptop is my PC. Originally, I had the Asus Prime B550 Plus AC HES AM4 motherboard, a Ryzen 7 3700X CPU, and Corsair Vengeance RDB Pro DDR4 RAM in 32GB running at 3200 MHz. In my new PC, I've made the huge leap to the Asus ROG Strix X870A gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D processor, and 32GB of G-Skill Trident Z Royal Neo DDR5 RAM running at 6400 MHz. The X870A motherboard comes with a beautiful clean design, stunning performance, and exclusive AI features to help supercharge your workflow. The X870A comes equipped with Asus AI Intelligence, which includes multiple software tools such as AI Networking 2, AI Overclocking, and AI Cooling. The AI Networking program works great and helps you prioritize games over background processes to make sure you get the best connection. Speaking of connection, this is a Wi-Fi 7 motherboard, which supports 2.4, 5, 6, and 7 GHz Wi-Fi bands. This motherboard is stunning, and I recommend this to anyone who wants a clean and reliable AM5 motherboard from the most reliable motherboard company in the world. My CPU cooler is once again the NZXT Kraken Elite 360 V2 AIO, with Lian Li TL RGB fans on the radiator mounted on the top of my NZXT H9 case, which I might upgrade to an O11 Vision or a O11 Vision Compact in the future. The other 6 fans are TL LCD fans, and they are both reverse blades, so you can still get the correct airflow and still have it look great. My GPU is still the same, being the RTX 3060 Ti 8GB model, and a Lian Li Streamer Plus cable connecting it to the PSU, and another 24-pin streamer for my motherboard. Moving on to my peripherals, my keyboard is a Yunzi AL75 with Glorious Link switches and a custom Torii Gate Artisan keycap. Here's a quick sound test. My mouse is the Glorious Model 02 wireless in white, and my mousepad is a Prove Them Wrong mousepad by Gutsy Aiden. My audio setup is completely overkill, but it makes my setup completely future-proof. I mainly use my Sony WH-1000 XM4's over-ear headphones for gaming and editing videos, and my Creative Pebble V3 speakers in white for general music listening, and when I'm playing games at night and I don't feel like wearing my headphones. My microphone is a Shure SM7B, which is mounted with an Elgato mic arm and is connected to my Elgato Wave XLR interface. Directly under my monitor, I have my Stream Deck Plus in white. If you don't know what a Stream Deck is, it's just like a macro pad. You can program keys to open websites, perform macros, and mute your microphone and more. I'm using a triple monitor setup with 2 stacked and 1 vertical monitor. My main monitor is the NZXT Canvas 32Q, my top monitor is a Dell P2412H, and my side monitor is a Dell P2210. I have a white bookshelf displaying a Lian Li Edge PSU on the top, filament on the second shelf, and filament boxes on the bottom shelf. Above my bookshelf, I have an IKEA Skyless pegboard to display multiple tech products and pictures of my dog Ollie. Behind my setup, I have my bed. And above my bed, I still have the same IKEA LAC shelves, but with a more immersive display. My left shelf was only the Apple display last year, but this year I decided to expand it and move all the Apple components in the middle and have a mouse and Stream Deck box on the outside. My second shelf has also changed and now holds all the components that are in my PC, creating this really cool DIY shelf displaying products I worked hard for and that I care about the most. This was my August 2025 studio tour. I'll post a link to an article I wrote listing all the products I used in my setup. Sorry this video took a little bit longer to post. I was waiting till I make these major PC upgrades to post a setup tour. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and as always, have an amazing day.